Hello friends, now we'll study tenses. How many types of tenses are there? Present, past, future. Again, each tense is of 4 types. Like present tense, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, continuous. Past is simple past, past continuous, past perfect, continuous. In the same way, future is again of 4 types. Here we come to the sentence formation in the tenses. Like in simple present tense जो है वो उसमें वाक्य जो बनाते हैं उसके अंत में ता लगता है, मोस्टली ताती. Like here you see, simple present tense describes actions or states, habits, routines, general, universal truths in present form. For example, सूरज पूरब में उगता है. Therefore I said कि लास्ट में ता लगता है. नेचुरली जो चीज़ रोज़ होती है उसमें, या हैबिचुअल चीज़ें कि हम रोज़ सुबह चाय पीते हैं. वी टेक कॉफ़ी और टी डेली इन द मॉर्निंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट, sentence structure. How the sentence is formed? Sentences here we have taken of mostly they are of 3 types: positive, negative, interrogative. Positive, how it is formed? Look, have a look. Subject plus verb, s or es plus the object. Like she goes to school every day. Here with the verb we have added here es. Okay, verb is go. Negative, if it is negative, then we have to make it in a negative sense, means we have to add not. Subject plus do, does, not plus verb plus object. She does not like coffee. Not I have written here because it is negative. Interrogative, do, does plus subject plus verb plus object. Do you drink tea? Here we have to put question mark. Now simple past tense. In simple past tense, what happens? It describes actions or states that started and finished in the past habits etc. Like we used to do this. ये वो ऐसा करता था, past tense में था. Okay. Now positive, subject plus verb in second form plus object. This we add to form the sentence. Like he ate apples. Verb का second form है. Like eat, ate, eaten. Ate is the second form. Then negative, subject plus did not plus verb in the first form plus object. He did not eat apples. Eat is here in the first form. Okay, this is the first form of the verb eat. Okay, now we have come to interrogative sentence. Interrogative, did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Did he eat apples? Here we have put question mark. Next we come to simple future tense. Okay, now in simple future tense, mostly in Hindi we use ga. Okay, like वह जाएगा, वह गाएगी, गाना गाएगी. Now what happens in simple future tense? It describes spontaneous decision, predictions, promises or scheduled events. Predictions जैसे आज बारिश होगी. Okay. Now positive. In positive sentence, how the sentence is formed? Subject plus will plus verb in the base form. She will go to Kanpur tomorrow. Go is the base form of the verb go. Okay, like we can write go, went, gone. Go is the base form. Negative, subject plus will not plus verb in the base form. Base form, I hope you understand. Like I have said, go is the base form of go, went, gone. Now go is the basic verb over here. In negative, she will not go to Kanpur tomorrow. Simply not. I have added not here because the sense is in negative. Interrogative, if the same question, same sentence you want to make in interrogative, will she not go to Kanpur tomorrow? Or another sentence I have taken, will you join us for lunch? Will plus subject plus verb in the base form. Now one more point is there, like will. Some places we use will, some places shall. This is another topic that I will take up in some other session. Okay. Now let us proceed with the tense in a tabular form. Now look here, I have made a chart for you to explain the tenses properly. These are three tenses: present, past, future. Again they are classified into simple or indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, now let us take up one by one. Now first is present tense. In simple form it is मोहन writes, मोहन लिखता है. Continuous means वो कार्य चल रहा है, तो रहा है, रही है, इसमें इसका प्रयोग होता है. मोहन is writing, मोहन लिख रहा है. Perfect, work has been done, it is perfect. Then मोहन has written, उसने लिखा है या लिख लिया है. Perfect continuous, here the verb is perfect also but in continuation also, मतलब जारी भी है, काम जारी है. So it is written as Mohan has been writing. Here you will see been is used. Okay, has been writing. Mohan लिखता आ रहा है. Next, in past, what will be the forms? मोहन लिखता था या फिर मोहन ने लिखा. मोहन wrote. We use mostly ने लिखा. This is more correct. Okay. मोहन was writing. मोहन लिख रहा था. मोहन had written. मोहन ने लिखा था. मोहन had been writing. मोहन लिखता आ रहा था. Now one thing you have to note, ing तो लगेगा ही अगर perfect continuous है, but if it is present then it will be has, if it is past it will be had. और इसमें been लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. We use been in this form. Next we come to future. मोहन will write. मोहन लिखेगा. मोहन will be writing. मोहन लिख रहा होगा. मोहन will have written. मोहन लिख चुका होगा. मोहन will have been writing. This is a bit different type of sentence. इसका हम बहुत ही कम यूज़ करते हैं. अभी कुछ places पर ही यूज़ होता है ये. मोहन लिखता आ रहा होगा. And one thing all of you note that we use been in this form. Which form? Last form. Perfect continuous. Okay. Been also and ing also I have written. Now let us practice some of the sentences. These are some sentences based on CTAT MCQs. Identify the tense. They have completed their work. उन्होंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है. Now what tense it will be? Just think. So the answer will be present perfect. Have completed. Present में ही है लेकिन perfect है, काम हो चुका है. Choose the correct option. He dash to school every day. Go, goes, is going. It will be goes to school every day. वो डेली विद्यालय जाता है, रोज विद्यालय जाता है, तो daily the work is being done, therefore goes. Yes, we have put with the verb. Fill in the blanks. She dashed TV when I called her. Watches, watched, was watching, has watched. Here we will put she was watching. Okay, was watching TV when I called her. जब मैंने उसे बुलाया तो वह टीवी देख रही थी. Okay. Next, choose the correct sentence. He has went to Delhi. He have gone to Delhi. He has gone to Delhi. He is gone to Delhi. Now, which will be the correct sentence? This will be the correct sentence. He has gone to Delhi. Then choose the correct option. By next year, she dash her course. Completes, will complete, will have completed. So it will be will have completed. By next year, अगले साल तक वह कर चुकी होगी. Okay, will have completed. Then identify the tense. I have been teaching here for 5 years. Okay, I have been teaching here. Have been अगर लगता है तो वो फोर्थ फॉर्म होता है, जैसा कि मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया था. एंड प्लस टीचिंग ing, that is in continuation. That means it is perfect continuous, and it is not had, it is not has, it is have been teaching here. That means it is present perfect. Will have भी नहीं है इसमें. तो कौन सा होगा, इस तरह से आप थिंक करेंगे. ओके, हैज़, हैव, हैड, तो इसमें से हैव है, दैट मीन्स इट विल बी प्रेजेंट. बीन है तो परफेक्ट होगा. टीचिंग है तो ये कंटिन्यूशन में होगा, दैट मीन्स दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, today up to this much only. In next class we will take up clauses.